There are several elements that are displayed when a blue screen error occurs. The first and most obvious of these elements is the frowny face right here, just to the left of my mouse pointer. You're also going to see a rather generic error message saying your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info and then we'll restart for you. Below that, you're typically going to see a counter that shows what percentage is complete, and that percentage reflects the memory dump process. So if you've configured Windows to perform a memory dump when a blue screen error occurs, then this counter is going to show you what percentage of the memory dump is complete. So then if you go down a little bit further, there are a couple of other things that are going on. We have a QR code and you can scan this QR code with your smartphone. And that will take you to a page that gives you information about the problem that you're having. There's also a message saying for more information about this issue and possible fixes, visit windows.com/stopcode. And then it goes on to say if you call a support person, give them this info. And then we have a stop code. In this case, that stop code is critical process died. Now the stop code is the one thing on this page that's really important because it points to the source of the problem. And so I'm going to be talking all about stop codes in the coming video, which covers basic troubleshooting steps.